After more than 20 years of waiting, it is official. Lincoln Trail College broke ground on its new Career and Technical Training Center.
This will soon be home to our Broadband Telecommunications program, our Process Technology program, and Welding. In addition, it will house 2 new state-of-the-art classrooms and lab spaces that we have big plans for.
LTC President Tana Ambrose says this project represents perseverance and dedication to students.
They had an unwavering vision for this very building that's going to go behind me and how it would impact our students, impact our local business industry, our surrounding area. And so again, everyone here stayed the course. It's a great example of what we mean when we say that we are student-centered.
Lisa Henney with the Illinois Capital Development Board says this project is about opportunity.
This isn't just about educating students. It's about a launching pad to high-demand careers that will boost Illinois' economy. This facility provides so many opportunities and will propel workforce development forward in the southeastern Illinois region.
Illinois Eastern Community College Board of Trustees Chairman Gary Carter says there is one reason why this building is being constructed.
It's the students. It's that they will be able to come here and learn and develop skills that will take us into the next century.
The new building is approximately 30,000 square feet. Construction on the $13.4 million facility started in August and will take about 2 years to complete. For LTTV, I'm Chris Ford.